Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all guys are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this find XOR sum of all pairs bitwise and problem of Leetcode. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here what we are basically given, we are given XOR sum of a list, like basically what we are given. Okay, I hope you all read the problem already. So what we are given two array A and B. We are given two array A and B. Okay, some element in A and some element in B. Okay, like suppose we have some element above. Here is A, B, C. Okay, and in B I have some element X, Y, Z. Okay, okay. Then I have a list. I have a list that will make by AND of these pairs, like AND of AX, like this. AND of A and X, A and Y, A and Z. Similarly, like B and X and up to. So how many pair I will have? I will have n into m pair, where n is the size of my A array and m is the size of my B array. Okay guys, so total n into m pair I will have. So now what is my XOR sum? XOR sum is the XOR of this particular list. Like if I talk about this XOR sum of this array ABC, the XOR sum of this is XOR sum will be A XOR B XOR C. Similarly, XOR sum of this is X XOR Y XOR Y. So XOR sum of this will be XOR of this, XOR of this. Okay, XOR of these all value. Now I need to find out the XOR sum of this particular list. Okay, guys. So we will gonna to find out XOR bit by bit. Now suppose I am talking about bit I. Then I am claiming there are count A. There are count A element in A array whose whose ith bit is set. Ith bit is set means A and I is equal to 1, is equal to this particular value. Okay, this if I am taking and I am getting this value means ith bit is set. Now count B is count B element in my array B. This is A array, not A array, but the naming A. And count B is the same for array B. Count B is the number of element in my array B whose ith bit is set. Whose ith bit is set, like A and B are element. Okay, whose ith bit is set. Now I can say if I will take AND of these two numbers only, I will got ith bit set in my list. Okay, if I will choose any element among this count A element and any and one element from this count B and take AND of those element, then only I will go this particular bit. Why? Like suppose I have A array is like this. A array is like 1, 3, 2 and 4. B array is 5, 7, 4 and 6. Now my ith bit is 1. Now I am currently talking about 0th bit. Okay, 0th bit means 1 I is equal to 0. So 1 right shift 0 is equal to 1. So what will be my count A? What will be my count A? Count A will become how many element I have whose 0th bit is set. 1, 2. Only two element. Only two element 1 and 3. Similarly in my B array I have two element. I have only two element whose bit is set 0th bit 5 and 7. 4 and 6 does not have set. This bit set 5 and 7. Okay guys. Now if I am taking AND of 1 and 5, AND of 1 and 7, or AND of 3 and 5, or AND of 3 and 7, then only I will got this ith bit means 0th bit set. Otherwise not. If otherwise I will take 2 and 5, I will go 0. Okay, because for AND I need the current bit in AND. If I want ith bit to be set, then I want it to be set in my both element. Okay, so how many number of element I will have that have ith bit set? It will be simple. It will be simple. Count of element is equal to count A into count B. These are the number of element in my list that will have ith bit set. So okay, so in my set I have only this particular element that will have ith bit set. So if this quantity is even, then all, when I will take XOR, all bit will be cancelled out. All bit will be cancelled. Like here I have four elements. So I have four elements. So when I will go I will take XOR of this will contain 1 1 1 1. So 1 XOR 1 0, 0 XOR 1 1, 1 XOR 0 0. So at last I will got 0 as my XOR. Okay, but if I have counted into count B as odd, means I have odd count of this particular ith bit, then I will got this bit into my XOR sum. So similarly I need to add this bit in my answer, otherwise not. Okay guys, this is simple. Now this is what I apply for all particular bit. I have taken a variable answer, a global. Then for each particular 30th bit till less than 30, why less than 30? Because my element will be less than 1 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, and 2 raised is greater than 1 10 raised to the power 9. Initially I am taking x and y0. X is the count A, y is the count B. So for each element j of my A, I am adding, like, what this will return. This will either return 1, either return 0. This is a way of if condition. Okay, to summarize if condition in a operator, like what I am checking, if my j and this particular bit, if a and of this is greater than 0, means I will got some value. Okay, I will got some value, then it will increase my count by 1. This will either return 1, this thing will return 1 if my jth element of my array A contain ith bit, otherwise it will return 0. Same with my b element, b array, it will increase y if my jth element of b array contain ith bit, otherwise not. Now if my x into y is equal to odd, but there is a condition, I cannot check x into y. Why? Either I need to take long because I take int, and I know the multiplication of two quantity will be odd when both of them are odd, because if either one of them is even or both of them is even, it will give me even number. So if both of them is odd, like x modulo 2 is something, y modulo 2 is something, okay, I don't need to check is this, I don't need to check this or this. Okay, y modulo 2 is enough. If I mean x modulo 2 is something, y modulo 2 is something other than 0, okay, then I will add this the value of this particular bit in my answer. Okay, and at last I will go and return my answer. This is my AC code here as well, you can see this is my AC code, and time taken is very less, I guess. Okay, 121 ms, just around 100 millisecond, not that much. Okay, this is my AC code. So I hope you all guys enjoy the lecture or enjoy the tutorial. If you have any doubt, you can just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. And guys, I am thinking to prepare a bit manipulation series. So if you have any comment on this, please comment out. Okay, so that I will got the response like you want or not. Okay, these are some problem like this. I have already selected more 8 9 other problem from Leetcode, 5 6 from Code Forces, and 4 5 from CodeChef. So I have 10 to 20 problems in total. A very good problem. Okay, that will make sure that you will gonna learn bit in a different way. Okay, first of all I will take I will upload 1 or 2 tutorials of bit manipulation, then we will gonna solve these 10 15 problems. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Thank you for watching this, guys.